So we have a 2018 Toyota Sienna. So this is what your car looks like if the transmission is out of it. So you have your flywheel there, your transfer case remains on, your rack is there, stabilizer bar, and your frame that holds everything up. That's the back of the engine. So this car, the transmission had a noise, and I'm going to show you what caused that noise. So the problem with the Toyota Sienna was the planetary gears. You can see it's all damaged there. Let's see, it's no good. All that clay there, noisy. And that's the differential. That's the pump. That's the filter. So you can't change the oil and filter because the filter is inside the transmission. And this is the other part, or the other half of your transmission. This is the front part, the belt with belt housing area, and that's the torque converter that goes in between the transmission and the engine. So this car actually had a noise, that's why I came in here, and that was the problem. The planetary gears, it was noisy. Now, one thing to note about this car is that these little studs that the frame attaches to, this little stud goes in here, and then there's a bolt that goes from the bottom to bolt up in there. This gets rusted and locks in there. So when we put it back together, we put some grease there, and hope that helps a little bit. And that's the oxygen sensor or O2 sensor. So for those of you who have Toyota Sienna 2018, this is what looks like underneath. Back differential, axle, your calipers, springs, shock absorber.